are you to find out there? I hope everything is okay. Especially we are now in the quarantine period. So now, let's talk about the ABS-CBN shutdown. I know kahapon na gumawa po ng ingay, mainit na pinag-uusapan talaga sa social networking sites ang ABS-CBN shutdown. I know that ABS-CBN is one of the biggest and the brightest network in the country. Sabi nga na, in the service of the Filipino. ABS-CBN isang kapamilya network po siya for the longest time. So, I really don't know the whole story, but what I feel right now is I'm very sad talaga kasi hindi ko na mapapanood yung mga teleserye, yung mga paborito kong shows sa ABS-CBN. I know that ABS-CBN is the home of the brightest and the biggest star of the country, also a home of a top-grossing film of all time, and also a home of a top-rating teleserye kasi nakalimulatan ko na po during my childhood time na mapanood yung mula sa Mara Clara, Esperanza, sa dulo na walang hanggan, mula sa puso, yun po talaga yung palaging napapanood ko, tsaka yung maalaala mo. Kaya I still remember na pinapalabas po yung MMT, hindi po yung Sabado, that was Huwebes. Oh, I still remember talaga yung ASAP, The Bus na pinapanood ko ng matagal talaga. Also, ABS-CBN is a home of a top-rated teleserye, reality shows, game shows, you know, and the variety shows, and also isa po siyang leading network in the country, isang kapamilya. And I know talaga marami po yung nagulat sa balita kahapon. Siyempre nandoon yung malungkot, yung iba masaya na, di ba, nagsara na yung ABS-CBN. So I hope sana na ABS-CBN will operate soon. The sooner the better talaga. I know I'm not a stakeholder, but I'm just a fan. Nalulungkot talaga na wala na yung ABS-CBN. Especially at this time na nasa quarantine period po tayo. So, most of the people ay nakatutok din talaga. So, guys, nakakalungkot, but I hope everything will be okay talaga. At yung paborito kong si Sol Aragones. Thank you! Bye!